Today, I'm showing you how to unroll a mat and roll a mat. Following exercise 1. Where to put the mat on the floor to use. Exercise 2. Showing how to roll or fold different mat. The purpose of the activity is preparation for more complex activities later on. Coordination of movement, development of muscles, and concentration. The age is 2.5. Point of consciousness are position the mat on the ground, and the mat should be facing away from body. The flap ends are straight. Place a mat at enough space. When unrolling the mat, check behind to make sure enough space. Roll the mat in right order and wrap it properly. Unrolling and rolling the mat is a preliminary activity. Preliminary activities are the first exercises when a child arrives in the class. Involves a few basic movements and preparation for more complex activities later on. The tasks are required skills for everyday and Montessori environment and suitable behavior.